want so many things! A new dress and a lipstick and movie tickets! Except my money is slipping through my fingers like sand! A trip to the water park won't be that expensive if you bring food and drinks with you. But how can we do it? The guard is watching! You are going to have to be a little sneaky and hide bowls of food under your clothes. It doesn't matter that we look pregnant. At least we are getting in. We managed to get food through security. Great, we can take our clothes off. Knock knock, when are you due? My due date is actually today. Here's some candy. Oh, we are so smart. Cheers! Did you want to eat in the pool? Your friend can just get you delivery. There are so many treats in her tummy. Sometimes you can find money right under your feet. Oh, a coin! Now I'm inspired to make money here and now. All you have to do is put up a sign with a motivational inscription. Throw a coin for luck. Great! Now we can wait for the first clients. People love doing things like this, so you don't have to wait long. And after a while, you just have to collect your earnings. This fountain really is lucky. It's great, right? Inflating a floating mattress without a pump. It's so hard! And a great opportunity to make money on the beach. The pumping pros are already here. Who's going to turn down such a nice service? Just a few minutes and the mattress is ready. Now collect your reward. Oh wow! These girls know how to make money out of thin air. Here's a new order. Done! You can give it back. And now we can rest. It's hot! I want to go for a ride. Let's see what's going on with our finances. Not enough for 2 tickets for sure. But I know what we can do. First, to the changing room. Same swimsuits, caps, and glasses are more than just a token of our love. It's an opportunity to confuse the staff. While Lily's enjoying wakeboarding, Jane's waiting in the bushes. Just don't reveal yourself before your turn. And now, body swap. Now it's Jane's turn to ride on the water. That's it! 1 ticket for 2. Well done! Why not do that again with another ride? Let's try it! So, Jane has already got a standing paddleboard. Once you finish your ride, pass it to your friend. Repeat the same trick. Success! People who want to make money will always find a way, even in places where others come to spend money. Shopping carts are a great source of income. Because in order to disconnect from each other, people use a coin. Do you know how many lazy people don't take their carts back? All we have to do is find the lost carts and take them back to their rightful place. There you go! Money makes money! We did a great job! Let's go spend it! Sitting on the lawn and taking selfies is great! But there is something missing. Delicious ice cream! That would be so nice! So, what's the problem? Take some baskets and go! There's a cherry tree! Look how much we got! Now to the kitchen! You are going to need popsicle molds, some honey, and gloves to keep your hands from getting dirty. Separate the fruit from the pits. Here you go! Let's put the berries in the blender. Add honey. And make it into a smoothie. Now pour the ready mixture into the molds. And freeze it. Yay! You got real fruit popsicles! No additives or artificial flavorings. Yummy! Lily's going on a date, but it looks like her makeup is in danger. She's out of foundation. Perfect timing. What do we do? This is tough. But Jane's got a great life hack. You are going to need some face lotion and also powder pearls. Put some pearls in the container with lotion. And stir them until they dissolve. Your new foundation is ready. Awesome! It's perfect for an emergency. And don't forget to tell your friends. Hair removal cream also runs out quickly. But how do you save money? Watch and learn. Apply it to one leg and then move it to the other one. It works! You are only using half as much. It's worth a try. There seems to be some trouble with the dishes. We are completely out of detergent. There is not a drop left. It's not a big deal. A regular piece of soap will save the day. Cut a hole in the sponge like this and place the soap inside. Wow, that's a lot of foam! You can wash a whole mountain of dishes with this sponge. Even if you don't have a ton of money, you can treat yourself to new clothes. The price tags aren't that great though. These things are so expensive, I'm scared to even touch them. But when you like something, it's very difficult to say no. Jane seems to have another money-saving hack. At first glance, nothing unusual. Just carrying stuff to the cash register and paying for it. Put it on with the price tags and everything. And go see a movie. Even if someone sees the price tag, who cares? Just pretend it's a new trend. And then, after enjoying the clothes, you can take them back to the store. They have to still look new, of course. Sellers don't really like returns. But there's nothing to criticize. The price tags are still on. And the money goes right back in the wallet. When you are very hungry, the fridge is almost empty. Well, except for one egg. That's clearly not enough. I got an idea. I can get my boyfriend's pity. Honey, I'm so sick. Could you bring me some food? I have no strength to go to the store. Yay! He fell for it. Now you have to get into the image of a miserable patient. Here comes the delivery. Oh, thank you! Give me the bags! No, no, no contact! I'm super sick! Bye-bye! Yay! Let's have a feast! Look how delicious it is! And it's all free! Even while sitting at a cafe, you can find a profit. Here are some sugar packets. Nobody takes them, which is silly. Hide the sugar in your backpack. And the napkins, too. There's plenty to take at the next table, too. Just act carefully and don't draw extra attention to yourself. Did you like our life hacks for saving and earning money? Let us know what ideas inspired you the most. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss more useful ideas from Troom Wow!